paid. Do not deduct the contingent consideration.
Daily.
Okay.
Basta dump.
The
Sa akong dump na YouTube channel.
Corporation 15 to 19.
Pag-iwapay na ka-shares.
You read the information of the two companies.
So many.
There are three columns in the information. The acquirer, Saisen, the acquirer group. The third column is consolidated. Okay, analyze carefully. For 15 to 19. I'll give you 2 minutes for the 5 items.
Oh, sabi na 72 minus 20. 72 plus 94 minus 72 is 22. And 88 minus 33 is 55. Then 650 minus 400 is 250. So, nudge mga excess poles. Is 2,000 nga increase. 2,000 increase. 55 minus 45 is 10,000 increase. Then 650 minus 150. I know. 250 minus 150, 100 increase. So ang book value niya is 25 plus 20 plus 70, 115. And ito siya mahibawaan sa amin. Sa APIC niya is 245 minus 65. So, 180 ang i-issue. Minus 160 is 60,000.
Okay, there you are.
Divide
For number 15 to 19.
30,000 ihang
Okay. Now, ang number 15. How many shares did the acquirer issue for this acquisition?
30,000.
30,000. Kung nakita number of shares, only the common stock. Do not include the APIC. Sa'yo na. Therefore, common stock combined is 160,000. Did the common stock of the acquirer common? It is 100,000. Therefore, issued 60,000. Ang imong divisor is par value. 2. Therefore, number of shares, 30,000. Now, number 16. Kung sa nakalahi sa 15 o 16. Sa number 16, nangita siya ang pot price or fair value. So, yung may combine ang common o APIC na. That is the difference between 15 and 16 procedure. Okay. So, before the solution, pili atong fair value of the share issue.
8.
8. Therefore, your answer number 15 should be correct because that is your divisor. Okay, now, atong i-combine na. So, common plus APIC after or the common and APIC after the combination, that is 160 plus 245, 405,000. Deduct common and habit of the acquirer, 100 plus 65, 165,000. Therefore, total paid capital, 240,000. Divide by number of shares that you determine and number 15. Therefore, the fair value is 8 per share. Repeat, no? Kung nakita na siya how many shares ang common ra, yung matanawon, the combined deduct the acquirer. Kung nakita sa fair value, may combine ang common o affect. Then divide the number of shares issued, which
17,
obtain the
202.
number
27.
Now, number 17,
Ooh.
compute the fair value by the nasa blue at the date of acquisition. Answer,
200.
227,000. Yun na siya. Assets of the combined balance sheet. Itong assets at tanawon, 497,000. Deduct net assets of Cecil before the acquisition, 270,000. Therefore, the fair value of the NA of blue at acquisition date, 227,000. Compute for goodwill.
13,000.
Okay, by the way, pin acquisition cost.
40.
Your answer to number 15 multiplied by number 16. Are you for it?
293.
30,000 times 8. That
Ang
is your
17.
acquisition cost.
Oh.
240,000. Ang atong fair value, your answer to number
Ay.
17. 227,000. So this examination, if it's a shotgun problem like this, be sure that your answers and the preceding item should be correct. The
207.
answer is 13,000. Next, compute the retained earnings in the combined balance sheet. Answer, 105,000. Only that of the parents. Kaya na, 20 to 20.
Tahan. Kung nakipag mga unang tahan.
25. Additional lang.
Nalagyaw ko baluan.
Pag pwede ko ito. Wala, ako kasi pang minus ang combination. Ako pang add pa. Ang same mo yan, ang combination? May minus pa siya. Value.
Okay, you're through now. There's a fall in the market from 16 per share to 10. That's a fall. Now, compute additional shares to be issued to compensate for any fall in the value of the stock. Answer, how many shares are issued? 60,000 is correct. Very good. Give the answer.
I don't
The
know.
deficiency now is 16 minus 10, 6. Multiplied by 100,000. 100,000 divided by 1. Par value man. Therefore, number of shares is 100,000. So, 600,000. Divide by the fair value on the date of fall. Your divisor is 10, not 16. Divide by the fair value on January 1, which is 10. Therefore, the number of shares to be issued is 60,000 in order to compensate for the fall in the value of the stock. 21. Related capital in excess of 1 after the asset shares were issued. Come again?
540.
460,000. How did you compute that? 520,000 minus 60,000. None of 60,000 man. Because the par value is 1. Therefore, the answer is 520,000. Got it na? 460. 520,000 minus 60,000. 460,000. Number 22 to 23.
Hagu. Singot ani ay for 400 plus 250 divide 20. 27,
Okay,
500.
class. You want us to compute the par value of the purpose common stock. Okay. To compute for the par value, you have to know the number of shares issued. Because that is your divisor. Sa mga tanda ko, pila may number of shares issued.
40.
Come again?
40.
1,000? Correct. 12,500. Manano pa compute. So,
Ay.
number of shares issued, that is present capital after issuance. For number of shares issued, imong i-add ang par value o ang APIC. So, present capital after issuance, after acquisition, 250 plus 550, 800.
Oh,
Deduct
lahat.
present capital before, par plus APIC of 550. Therefore, present capital issued at the time of exchange is 250,000. Divide by the fair value, how much? The
20.
fair value, 20 per share. Therefore, shares issued, 12,500. Sa mali among basis in computing number 22, the answer. Per value per share. 4 is correct. Okay, yun sa nasya? So, kung par value lang, it's a common stock. So, par value of the common stock after acquisition, 250,000. Compare with before acquisition of 200,000. Therefore, par value of the shares issued additional 50,000. Divide by the number of shares issued, which we computed earlier, which is 12,500. Therefore, the par value is 4. Compute the fair value of sales net assets if goodwill of 56,000 is recorded. Answer. Come again? 250,000 plus 56,000. So the answer is 194,000. Okay? By the way, class, we also compute ang 250,000.
Same.
We also compute ang 250,000 pesos. Number of shares issued, pila to? 12,500 multiplied by fair value. Acquisition cost, correct ba? So pila to, acquisition cost, 250,000. Kung na goodwill, deduct goodwill. Therefore, the fair value is 194,000. Kung bargain purchase pa na siya, add the bargain purchase in order to determine the fair value. Therefore, lang, referring. Kay goodwill man, deduct para fair value. Kung bargain purchase na siya, add to get the fair value.
Goodwill sa Osaka.
Example, bargain purchase, add. So the answer is 194,000. Okay, umana. Last numbers, 24 and 25.
Basa na yun.
Okay. Compute the increase in retail earnings of ACME after acquisition.
60.
Now again, 60,000 is correct. Okay, computation. Price paid, 110,000. Okay? Pila ito, NA at fair value. 170. Therefore, it's a gain of 60,000.
Ade lang.
And this gain is added to retained earnings. So the answer is
50 plus 80 plus 40.
number
Minus
25. Compute the gain or loss on disposal. What's the
30.
gain or loss?
30,000.
You compare the selling price against the book value of the net assets. Answer?
30.
Okay. Selling price, 110,000. Pila yung book value sa net assets?
140.
140,000. Gain or loss?
Loss.
A loss of
30,000.
morning's problems are issued than those in the afternoon.
Gani.
Afternoon now it is consolidation and budget and acquisition. Now, I will tell you, remind me, I will tell you about how to calculate acquisition cost if the acquisition includes a control premium. Now, I will share it to the board. Okay. Kailangan yun before acquisition cost did not in your fair value. Kung sa may acquisition cost, if the cost of acquisition includes a control premium. Now, we will take that up this afternoon before we solve the problem. Okay, Cross? So I will see you at 1 o'clock.
Salamat ate.